The Jobs page in Checklist is a comprehensive list of all jobs on your account. Jobs for all rentals on your account with any status will be listed here. Using the different filter options, you'll be able to customize your view. Let's explore this a little further. To view your jobs list, click Jobs on the left navigation bar. To narrow your view, use the table filters to filter your job list by job status, assignee, clients, property name, invoice status, and currency. Use the Filters button to apply additional filters such as the job date, date of the last update on the job, or the job completion date. Using the Search option, you have the ability to do a general search on the page. Most importantly, having the option to clear all filters will allow your jobs to be shown. You may also view jobs on your calendar. To do this, click Calendar on the left navigation bar. Keep in mind that only accepted jobs will be shown on your calendar. Click on a job on your calendar to view the job details. On the Details tab, you'll see all the job details including the job date, start and finish time, property address, and a message from the client if one was sent. Property instructions, if provided by the client, will be shown here as well. On the Checklist tab, you'll see a list of all tasks to be completed. Once you start the job, you'll be able to mark tasks as complete and add images and comments to the task. On the Incident Report tab, you'll see an incident report submitted for this job. Reports can be made before a job starts, while the job is being completed, or after the job has been completed. You may also add images to your incident reports. On the Location tab, you'll see the property location. And lastly, the Logs tab. Here you'll see the date and time of each event associated with this job. And that's it. Viewing jobs is easy with Checklist.